In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install a speaker or audio output device on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop PC. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Start button, and you want to type in Settings. Best result should come back with Settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select System, and then on the right side, you want to go down and select Sound. Underneath output, where it says pair a new output device, select add device, and then follow through the on-screen steps. Typically, most devices, if you're plugging in directly into your computer, it's just plug and play. You wouldn't even need to go through this step. But if it was a wireless mouse, you probably would need to do this. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.